Hello and good evening to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this channel Upload Job. And today in this video I'll share with you job openings from Serbia. It's a different country. I hope you all know this. So today we will discuss the job openings from Serbia and how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job, and what is the system to complete the visa process, everything. So let's start. This is a requirement for hiring one of the leading construction and maintenance company. So basically the candidates having experience from construction professionals mm, apply as much as possible. So let's focus what is the job openings. So the client interview will be in New Delhi in the HR International Consultancy, and the position will be foreman, storeman, production workers, bus drivers, truck drivers, MIG welder, TIG welder, electrician, electronics technician, maintenance electrician, CNC operator, car body mechanic, mason, rendering plaster, furniture shuttering carpenter, Formwork Carpenter, Gypsum Carpenter, wall spray painter, tile mason, PVC laminate floor installer, windows installer, aluminium facade installer, aluminium fabricator, thermal facade installer, steel welder, plumber, steel fixtures, and demolition workers. So this is all about the professionals belongs to construction and maintenance. So guys, if you have proper experience in the relevant field for which position you want to apply, then you can apply as soon as possible. The applying process is you have to update your CV and attach the experience certificates and the qualification certificates and the passport scan copy and the passport size photo. Everything you have to make it in a one PDF file and you have to forward in this given official email ID. This is the official email ID through which your document will be recorded by the HR consultancy so that the shortlisted process will be start. So once the shortlisted process will be start, your CV will be shortlisted. You will get notifications to attend the client interview in the below address. So this is the official address. You have to reach to the office to attend the client interview after shortlisting your CV. So first of all, you need to know this is a requirement from Serbia. It's a European country, and there are huge job openings from construction professionals. So if you have interest to apply, then you can apply as much as possible with proper documents to sending given official email ID. This is the official address. Next, urgently required for Serbia, urgently required, and the last date of application will be 5. But don't worry for this. The application process already continuing. So let's position. First the positions: 80 truck drivers, 40 exhibitor operators, 20 road roller, 10 crusher operator, 15 welder, 5 storekeeper. So there have a good vacancies from Serbia, and if you are belongs to these professionals, don't be waste your time. Apply as soon as possible. Don't worry for the date. You have to submit your documents. Once they have the vacancy and they have the openings, they will offer you the client interview. Once you complete with the client interview, the rest process will be start. So you have to sending your CV and updated documents to the given official email ID, and you have to reach to the office to attend the client interview. This is in Hyderabad, and you have to reach to the office to attend the client interview. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. First of all, you need to know after you attend the client interview, once your CV will be selected, you have to attend the client interview. Once you selection from the client interview, you'll get an offer letter. After that, you have to apply for the medical process and visa process. Once the visa process will be start, the company will support you to complete this so that it can complete your visa process and you can move Serbia with a job. So I already shared you all the things. Uh, Urgent job openings from Serbia. The first openings for the construction professionals, and second openings are from skilled and non-skilled job also. So you have to focus that if you are really eligible for any of this job, then you have to update your CV and you have to gathering your documents and giving official email ID. You have to sending it through the given official email ID, and you have to reach to the office to attend the client interview. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I'll try to give the answer. And the thing is, the candidates having experience in the same professionals share this information to them. If they have a dream to move abroad with the job, then this information will be valuable for them. So I hope you share this information as soon as possible. And lots of thanks again for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll try to give the answer and I'll try to share with you the recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck.